Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my technological world, your own YouTube tech channel. If you are new here, please consider subscribing our channel and hit the bell icon so you'll receive the notification for our upcoming videos. Today in this video we are going to talk about Huawei Y9 2019 with 6.5-inch big screen and 4 AI cameras. Let's have a look. 6.5 full view display, full extraordinary 2340 by 1080 high resolution and vivid detail will deliver new horizon of visual emergence with a 19.59 display ratio. Actually, it's a symphony in your hands. Finely crafted 3D arc design provide grip comfort and an iridescent flow of light between your fingers with the nanostripe technology. Show off with a truly unique set of colors, the midnight black, sapphire blue, and Aurora Purple. It's a beauty in every shot through 4 AI cameras. Dual front 16 megapixel plus 2 megapixel and rear 13 megapixel and 2 megapixel cameras have a keen eye for vivid details. The camera's AI technology can intelligently recognize scenes and is trained to see more than 500 scenes type by creating 22 category labels to provide real-time optimization. Your pictures will always look their best. Huawei Y9 is a photo studio in your pocket. Why we said that? Because 16 megapixel front camera can create beautiful selfies even in low light or backlighting conditions. With the help of AI technology, the 3D lighting effects for portrait and enhanced with soft lighting, stage lighting, butterfly lighting, and more with the beauty algorithm to produce studio quality portraits. And in that capacity, you can capture the beauty of the night. Rear camera allow up to 50% more light for low light photography, and it's coupled with handheld night mode with AI stabilization. This camera has up to 6-second long exposure to help capture every detail with minimal noise in the low light environment. With the turbocharged performance for seamless fun, it's compared to last generation, the Kirin 710 octa-core chip improves single core performance by 75% and multi-core performance by 68%. Thanks to 12nm process technology, the chipset's power consumption is reduced by 30%. You can discover gaming with GPU Turbo. It has 2x the GPU efficiency and a GPU performance increase of 1.3x to deliver a powerfully immersive gaming experience. Now let's talk about the Huawei Y9 superb indoor large power capacity. The 4000 mAh battery lets you live worry-free, prolong your enjoyment with the smart power consumption optimization, providing 9 hours of video or gaming, 65 hours of music and 14 hours of web page browsing under a 4G network. So ladies and gentlemen, this is Huawei Y9 review, and you can always buy this product from link in the description, and this is what we know till now regarding this product, and you can go on this link and check out everything by yourself. So tell us in the comments below that how do you like this video. If you like it, please hit the like button and subscribe our channel My Technological World, and stay blessed. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye bye.